this assignment, we needed to modify the PPSwap file from the repository, and we need to fix some bugs, and we also need to add some new functions that we can use with our front end. So this is the code that was provided in the repository, and I have already rewrote it and fixed those bugs. So one of the typo that was in here is this, like the address, it was like triple D, so I changed it to double D. And another bug or like error that was there is the offer ID was there was a typo in the offer ID. The D was smaller, so I fixed it. And also I have added new functions for interaction with the front end, the withdraw function and the receive function, so that the contract can withdraw Ethereum using those functions, and this receive function is actually using the deposit function to deposit some Ethereum. So what you need to do right now is compile this file and see if there is any error. So let me just hit compile. Okay, so this compiled without any error. So then I need to copy this ABI so that I can use it with my front end front end project. I have already created some front end file, which was actually I modified the provided files from the repository, like the for ename json index html html. So I create another folder where I have created my own front end html file, and in there I have pasted the PPSwap abi.json. And now I need to upload this file to my virtual machine so that I can interact with the front end from anywhere in the world. That I needed to create a EC2 instance on AWS, and I have to host the front end there. So I have created an EC2 instance over here. If I go to connect, then SSH client, I'll have the connection string over here, and I have already downloaded my key pair. So if I go to terminal and just right here, I have put down the just copy pasted the connection string, and it is connected to my Ubuntu server right now. So if I press ls or like the pwd, I can check the current directory in which I'm working on. So my AWS instance is also running. Now I have to connect the compiled the compiled the compiled solidity file in my wallet, MetaMask wallet, and after that I'll deploy the front end code. So now I'll connect my compiled file in my MetaMask. After we have compiled the solidity file, I need to inject or publish it using MetaMask. So I have already chosen Sepolia Ethereum network from here, and if I click right here and select injected provider MetaMask, this will show me the account to deploy, and if I now click deploy, it should be deployed. My contract has been deployed. I can just select over here, go to view on block explorer, Then I can just copy this ID and I need to put this back into my front end file. So I'll just put that over here, and the front end should be ready to go. And now I'll deploy the front end into the Amazon web server. Front end into the Amazon server. So if I open FileZilla, then if I go file, then site manager, I can see this option. I have already created a connection. I'll just hit connect. Okay, so right now it is connected. Now I need to find the correct folder, then I can just select the files from here, then the files will be uploaded in my remote machine. Okay, so I need to find out like where it is exactly. Yeah, right. The exact place where I need to put the files. So I'll just replace them. Alright, then I'll just replace them. Yeah. So now index.html contains the updated code from my front end, and these are the files from the previous assignment. So we'll ignore them. Now if I go to my remote address, then I'll see my front end, and if I click connect to MetaMask, the MetaMask will pop up. Then I'll have to provide my password. So let me just do that. Okay, so now it's been connected. So I can now test and do some Ethereum transaction from here. Like so after I have clicked on here, you can see that there is a transaction request, but as I have like insufficient balance, it is likely to uh, likely to fail. So yeah, that's what this assignment was about, like buying some tokens and selling some PPSwap tokens. Thank you.